Have you ever felt tired? Not just physically tired, but tired of trying, tired of hoping, tired of failing again and again. Sometimes life feels heavy. You work hard, but nothing changes. You give your best, yet you feel stuck in the same place. And slowly, a voice starts talking inside your head. It says, maybe I'm not good enough. Maybe I should stop trying. That voice appears when you are exhausted, not when you are weak. And today, you need to hear this clearly. That voice is lying to you. Feeling tired does not mean you are weak. It means you have been strong for a long time. You have carried pressure. You have faced disappointment. And still, you are standing. That alone makes you stronger than you think. Failure is not the end. Failure is proof that you tried. Every time you fall, you learn something. Every time you fail, you grow a little stronger. You are not losing. You are training for success. Every successful person you admire once stood exactly where you are now. They doubted themselves. They failed many times. They wanted to quit too, but they kept going. Not because it was easy, but because quitting was not an option. Stop comparing your journey with others. Some people succeed early, some succeed late. Life is not a race. It is a personal journey. Move at your own speed. Take your own path. Just promise yourself one thing. You will not stop. Even small steps matter. One more try, one more day, one more effort. Progress is not always fast, but consistency always wins. If you show up every day, even quietly, your life will change. There will be days when you feel stuck, days when nothing goes right. But remember this moment. Remember why you started. Remember how far you have already come. You didn't come this far to give up now. One day, you will look back at this phase and feel proud. Proud that you didn't quit. Proud that you stayed strong. Proud that you believed in yourself when no one else did. Your struggle is shaping your future. Your story is not over yet. Your best days are still coming. So stand up again, take a deep breath, and keep moving forward. Because you are stronger than you think, and success is closer than it feels. If this video motivated you, like it, share it, and subscribe for more motivation.